Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have a really cool 2021 Hot Wheels. It's the 85 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z. I've heard that these were really popular back in the day, back when they first came out. It's from Muscle Mania number 1 of 10. And it's 191 of 250 for 2021. And it's on a USA card, got it at Dollar General. Yesterday, actually, I got two of these, one to keep in the packaging, one to open. This is the one to open, got a little soft corner there. The other one I got had a perfectly mint card, so I decided to keep that in the packaging. GTB 40 is our toy number, it's from L-Case. Muscle Mania is custom striped muscle cars that look good driving around town or racing. Alright, loving the red color. Dang, thought that was gonna be a clean open, but that's not what happened. Oh wow, it looks so much better out of that packaging, as you can see. Look at that. Oh, the axles look like they want to wobble. That's not a good sign. But what a sharp casting it is. Alright, let's take a better look at it. Wow. Just, wow, look at that. White and gold stripes. It says IROC-Z right there. Is that a Z28 right there? I think that might be a Z28. Not sure what it says down there. Got gold PR5 rims. Painted door handle, interior. Loving this muscle car. Two-door. What a beautiful 80s, classic 80s casting. Got the Hot Wheels logo right there. That's cool. It is super cool. Here's the front there. Got the headlights and scoop and white stripes and gold stripes. There's the hood. You can see that there. There's a nice still shot of it there. Hopefully they'll give me a thumbnail on that. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle. It's like a grid for the back tail lights. They're not painted, but they still look really cool. I'm loving the red color on this. It's unbelievably gorgeous. And made in Malaysia. 2011 copyright. I think the first one came out in 2012. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.